983, let's fucking go. Okay, so down here in the system index, I want to highlight some things of interest. Okay, so if we scroll into the system index, we have Art Girl here, and then we have Hunkering right here, which we want to actually initialize. And then down here we have Keyboard Master. Now you might think those are random highlights, but they're not. They will come up later. Okay, in the Hunkering function section, we have created this initializer function that's going to be empty, but we need it to self-document some code. So here's the Hunkering unit test main. We're going to write this code in another video right here. I thought I was going to write it in this video, but I was wrong. And then in init client front end, where we're initializing and testing certain systems, here's that randomness. Here's the Art Girl INI. Here's Hunkering INI and a Hunkering unit test main. And then here's Keyboard Mast INI. So you can see I was just figuring out where Hunkering needed to be relative to these other systems that we're initializing and testing, okay? Then down here, a list of Gothic industrial bands. I've added some tags to find them easier. I messed with ChatGPT to try to filter the data easier, and it kind of worked. And then here's the new bands. So I put some new bands right here, and the old bands that previously existed, I took all the old bands that previously existed, and I lexicographically sorted ascending, LSA. So all these delta markers right here are just to kind of document kind of what I did here, right? Okay, so down here is what we did previously, and then here are our footnotes, and then here's an exclamation mark of what delta marker 983 underscore LSA means, right? Lexicographically sorting ascending. Here's what we did in this video, and I'm out of here. My name's Kanji Coder, and I'm making a Bomberman MMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman MMO. And if you are interested in seeing like how I'm working on this code and my progress, then you need to like and subscribe, my friend, because I'm making something fucking awesome. Alright? I'm gonna make some fucking waves. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name's Kanji Coder.